Hi everyone, this video is not going to be any do's or don'ts video, no tips either, but a message for sure, and this message is going to be personal for you. Once there was a young girl. Book reading was her favorite hobby. Corner of the room was her favorite place to be. Her diary was her best friend. Full of ideas, thoughts, and opinions she was. So she aspired to inspire people. Her dream was to be a public speaker. Avid reading gave her enough knowledge to share with people. She learned the do's and don'ts of her field. She equipped herself with the arsenal and ammunition necessary for her domain. She also learned social media presence and implemented it. Her Insta stories were letting her little circle know that she was up to something. What she was exactly doing? Probably people wanted to ask her that thing. After putting in a good amount of effort for a couple of months, she realized she still hasn't nailed a good conversation. As diligent as she was, she learned the concepts perfectly fine. Good looking enough that people wanted to talk to her. But when somebody used to come talk, she was finding it difficult to speak. Bookworm she was, she started reading. Following her idols and their biographies, she learned the idea of networking. For that, she needed to speak to people. Oh no. Networking? I can't do it. That's not my cup of tea, she thought dismissively. Suddenly, her stepmother screamed her name and she ran up to her. Ranting the same about her being an extra load in the family, she harangued her, adding something new this time. I have talked to your father. You are already 24 and we are looking for a groom. 6 months more and you will be leaving this house. This was something she didn't want at that stage, and this ignited her desire even further to work on her entrepreneurial journey. She came back to her corner of the room and continued on the same thought. Networking is for extroverts. How will I do it? This time, thinking strongly. You'll have to do it, Nana. She motivated herself. She started researching tips on networking for introverts. During her research, she came across a speech on an introvert's advice to networking. Feeling excited, she watched the whole speech. It was quite persuasive to her as she learned that networking is not about being an introvert or an extrovert. Busting the myth with her new knowledge, she learned how certain skills which were part of her personality, such as being an active listener, her ability to focus, self-sufficiency, and her great observation skills, were also essential for networking. All she needed to do was speak. Cheerful she was, she used her new knowledge to approach people via messages first. Using her Instagram and LinkedIn, she started building a good network of people and slowly converting them to her listeners. First via text messages, then using phone calls, Skype calls, and eventually talking face to face, leading her to a journey from her corner of the room to the center of the stage. Now, are you keen to know what happened to her after 6 months? Well, breaking an internal ceiling becomes a habit to continuously improve yourself, no matter what it takes, and that becomes the base to your success. and success happened to her. She wanted to be a speaker, and all she needed to learn was to speak to people. One day she spoke, and that's when it all started. As I mentioned in the beginning, that the message is going to be personal to you. I would love to hear your voice in the comment section. Thank you.